before I set you loose on the assignments. For one question, you'll be asked to find the LCM, okay, which stands for lowest common multiple.
Okay.
I tried doing that yesterday.
Okay.
So hard.
So how do you find the lowest common multiple for a set of numbers? Sometimes you'll be given 2 numbers, sometimes you'll be given 3 numbers to find the lowest common multiple of those 2 or 3 numbers. How do you do that?
Just the opposite of finding the largest, isn't it?
Well, to find the largest common multiple, that would be impossible. I'll show you why.
Our greatest common multiple. I should say.
The largest imaginable. Well, maybe infinity would be the largest common multiple of any set of numbers. I wonder if there's a proof for that. Probably math people. Nothing better to do than just numbers. Do number stuff all day. Okay. First question, what's a multiple? Like if I asked you, what are the multiples of 2?
Things that can be divided into it.
No, those are factors. Okay? So big important difference here. Factors are things that I can divide that number by. You with me? What would a multiple be then? Well, I can multiply it by anything if I want, right? A multiple is, or multiples are numbers that I get when I multiply that by whatever I choose. Okay? So for example, if I multiplied 2 by 2, what would I get? 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2. Because I took 2, multiplied it by something, and got that. Okay? What would be another multiple? What would be the next? 6, right? I took 2, my starting number, multiplied it by 3 this time, and I got 6. The next multiple would be 8. Right? 2 times 4. 2 times 5 is 10, 12, 14. You get the idea?
Yeah.
Each number I'm writing here, I took 2, took my starting number, and I multiplied it by something. Would 2 itself be a multiple of itself? Did you take 2, multiply by something, and get 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, you times it by 1. Times it by 0, I get 0, right? Okay, so all of these are multiples of 2. Just to show you again, I've multiplied that by 1, multiplied 2 by 2 there, 3 there, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should I go on?
No.
I don't have to. I might have to. We'll see. Let's look at the multiples of 5 now. What are the multiples of 5, other than just 5? 10, 15, 20. Whoa, guy, calm down. 25, 30, 35, 40. How high should I go?
100.
No.
We're not sure yet. Just list maybe the first 8 multiples or so. That's what we did. Okay. And now 7. Give me the multiples of 7, the first 8 of them. So I got 7, 14.
21.
Keep going. 28,
35.
35,
42.
42. 42, woohoo. 49, 7 times 7. 56, that's the first 8. Good. Pause for suspense.
Called nap.
Thank you.
And we're back. Okay. So, these are multiples of 2, 5, and 7. Okay. Let's talk about common multiples now. Common multiples would be numbers that appear in all 3 lists. Do you see any common multiples
No.
between all 3?
40?
Not yet, so we have a problem. I mean, you can see some common multiples between 2 and 5. What would those be? 10, right? So 10 and 10 here.
20.
Eventually I get to 20, so 20 somewhere down the road and here. But 7, he's kind of going by himself. Poor guy.
Oh, you have 35.
So what we need to do is, oh yeah, right, 14 and 14 for 7.
35.
But I want one that's common to all 3. And I want the first one that's
Maybe
common to all 3.
42. 28. Nope. never
Nope,
mind.
doesn't divide by 5. Right? I want a multiple that's common to all 3 lists, and I want the first one. That's called the least common multiple. It's the first number that comes up. You with me?
Yeah.
So let's extend these lists until we see something that pops for all three.
Wouldn't it be 70
Good. How'd you get it?
in my head?
In your
Yeah,
head?
right.
It just like popped in your head?
Well, it's the
Oh,
highest.
You're not
7
that
times
nerdy.
10.
No, you didn't.
That's what I did. That's
7
all you have
times
to
10.
do. 70.
Ah, Joel's. What if I just did this? What if I did this? Just multiply those three together. What do you get? You get 70?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, can you actually do that?
What? Okay, so let's test. Okay, so let's keep. Oh man, this is gonna take a while. 16, 18, 20.
I'm not gonna write that.
Okay,
Good job,
22, 24, 26. This is gonna take a long time. 30. And I made this example up out of the top of my head too. Okay, somebody tell a funny story while I'm doing this.
I don't know.
Oh man,
Oh,
So yesterday,
I just lost like
No.
half my YouTube audience.
Oh yeah.
Stay with me, guys. It's gonna be exciting.
That was really funny.
Okay, blah 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 blah. 70. Yeah. Okay.
The window.
This one isn't gonna be that bad. What am I at now? 45,
45.
50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and then this one won't take long. 7 times 8, 7 times 9, 63, 70. Okay. Now the whole point of this. So there's 70. There's 70 again. And because we were lazy, there's 70 again.
Sometimes lazy is okay.
You get it? It's the number that appears first in all three lists.
Why do you have to do that if they all just won't?
Yeah, Joel got the shortcut though. Go, Joel.
No, he just. Yeah.
Okay, give him a high five afterwards. There you go.
No.
You get it?
Yeah, high five, Chris.
Good to go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there's our shortcut.
Nice.
Wait, so can you do that for any of them?
Yeah, can I do that for any of them?
Yeah.
Probably. No, probably not.
What's with that grammar?
Jesuit.
Trust me, yeah, you're just.
How about this? How about this? You ready? Least common multiple of 4 and 6.
12.
Well, according to what if we just multiply those? What do we get? 4 times 6 is,
24.
so is 24 our least common multiple?
No.
Nope.
Oh, it's cheating.
Oh, man.
Rats.
How was I wrong?
You're wrong.
I used my head. That's what I said.
4,
You get so
8,
frustrated.
12, 16, 20.
So wait, does it only work with odd numbers?
It works with prime numbers.
Oh.
6, 12, 18, 24.
It's gonna be 24.
Look, least common multiple, still a common multiple, but not the least. Get it? Okay. Rely on the lists for a failsafe. Rely on the lists. That'll help. Okay, better question now. What's the greatest common multiple? If I
Infinity.
extended those lists into infinity, would I find more multiples?
Yep.
Yep, I would. I find more common multiples. What's the largest one?
Who knows?
We don't know. Right? Maybe infinity is the best answer. Maybe that's just a
Can you
cop
put
out.
that as a bonus question on the test?
Yeah, bonus question on the test, sure.
I
Why
think
not?
we should just end a number somewhere.